Hi, and welcome to D8 Squared. Today what we're going to be doing is changing the backup lights on a 2024 Chevy Silverado. Now this is the same procedure for a few different years. I think from 22 on. I don't know that for sure. I'll look it up and I'll put notes down below. But in any case, this here, on the 2024s at least, is like the only bulb in the entire truck that's still incandescent. And when you put it in reverse, it doesn't light up very good in the dark, and therefore the backup cameras don't see really well in the dark. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be changing those bulbs out for these Sylvania Super Bright LED Zevo. You can see the part number up in the corner. And I'm going to be changing those bulbs out for these, and I'm going to do a little before and after showing you how much better the backup camera looks in the dark with these bulbs instead of the factory bulbs. So I'm going to show you how to change these bulbs. So what you're going to want to do is open the tailgate, and then what you have to do is remove this screw and this screw down here using a TX10. That's the size bit that you're going to need. It's going to be a Torx bit that's TX10. So we're going to remove those two screws, and then we're going to pull this light housing kind of out, off and out to the left. We're going to change out that bulb. Now that I have the two screws removed, I'm gonna pull that out there, and then just kind of pull it out then. So what I did was I grabbed this side, and I kind of pulled back this way, and then once that was loosened, I pulled it out towards the back. So now you can see all the different wires going into the back. And the one that we're going to have to remove is this guy right here. So just give it a quarter turn counterclockwise and just pull it out. Just kind of rest that. Now the LED bulbs I bought were the Sylvania. Just pull that straight out. And these cost about $26 for the pair. So they're not exactly cheap, but it's something that you will probably never have to change. Okay, so here we go. Here we got the bulb. We'll just push this back in. It doesn't matter which way it goes. Then just put it back in here. Rotate it clockwise to lock it into position. And then we're gonna reverse the steps on getting the light back in. So I kind of push it in from the back, and then just kind of push it in there, and we can tell that we're lined up, that we're put in all the way, because you can see the holes are lined up for the screws to go back in. So we can go ahead and get these screws put back in. And that's it. So I'm going to go on and do the other side. I won't bore you with the details of doing the other side. It's exactly the same as this. And then we'll go ahead and do the comparison, showing you the before and after. Okay, I got the right side done. And one thing I wanted to mention was, sometimes you hear about needing a resistor or adding something in line when you switch to an LED bulb instead of an incandescent. Now, on these backup lights, that's not necessary. I think on some older models, if you're changing a turn signal or some other lights, you might need to have that. But in this case, it's not necessary. So this is the old backup lights with the brake applied. This is the new backup lights with the brake applied. This is the old backup lights without the brake applied, just the backup lights. And this is the new backup lights without the brake applied. So you can see the difference. So this is a little walk around showing you what the how bright the backup lights are. And there is a difference. It was a little harder to see on those pictures of the screens that I showed, but there is a significant difference on seeing what's behind you. So thanks for watching.